Hey everyone, I'm Rajiv from DevCode, and in this video, I will continue the previous video where I taught you about promises in JavaScript. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about the async and await keywords. The async keyword enables us to create an async function where the await keyword is permitted within the function's body. First, let's get the knowledge of what are synchronous and asynchronous behaviors in JavaScript. The synchronous behavior of JavaScript means that each line of code waits for the previous line of code to complete its execution. The opposite of this is the asynchronous behavior, that is, each line of code doesn't wait for the previous line of code to complete its execution. Instead, both lines of code runs simultaneously with each other and enable the no lag experience for the APIs. The async and await keywords enable asynchronous promise-based behavior to be written in a cleaner style, avoiding the need to configure promise chains explicitly. Let's see it in this example. Here, at first you can see that when async and await keywords are used, then we get the result in the console saying resolved, that too after 2 seconds because of the set timeout function. Now when we remove async await keywords, the code returns a pending promise because the async await keywords are removed. So this is it for this video. Bye.